guys, hey YouTube, welcome to my channel, and if you guys never been to my channel before, be sure to hit that subscribe button down below. And if you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns, be sure to comment them down below. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you don't, that's okay, give it a thumbs down, and I'll see you guys in my next video. So let's roll into the video. Okay guys, so today we're going to be making fluffy slime. So we're going to need a mixing bowl, we're going to need a spatula like this or a utensil, and we're going to be using Elmer's glitter glue, classic glitter glue. I like the word classic. And we are also going to be using these little Crayola glitter glues, and we're going to be using basil shaving cream, and the rest of my pure silk rich and luscious shaving cream. That's raspberry mints, just to give it a little smell. You're going to need contact solution. I'm using saline solution for sensitive eyes. And then we are also going to be using one of these for food coloring that's never been used before, and it's called McCormick Color from Nature Food Colors. So this is new. It has no artificial dyes in it, which is awesome. So there's like sky blue, berry, sunflower. So let's just get into our video here. Okay guys, so right now I am going to put the classic glitter glue in of Elmer's, and we're just going to put it in the bowl here. Takes a couple taps just for all that glitter glue to come down. I'm just using what is left from my regular glitter glue that I had used in my previous not my previous videos, but I did use some in a previous video that I did for my family, so we're just using the rest of this glitter glue, slowly coming down. Just let it all come out there. Well, since there's still a lot of glue in there, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go and put some hot warm water in there, and I'm going to dump all the rest in my bowl here so that we have some more glue. And then I'm also going to get some clear Elmer's glitter glue. Well, this is Elmer's glitter glue, that's clear. What I meant to say is clear glue. Sorry about that, guys. Okay guys, so I got my clear glitter glue here covered with warm water that's inside it, and we're just gonna pour it in our bowl here just to get the glue out as much as we can get out of there. See, it's easily coming out, just good. Let's get in there, a little tap. Then we're just going to add our other one in, which is our second one. That should help release some of the glue too. There we go. And I'll tell you the reason why I'm adding warm water in here to get the glue out in just a second. In the meantime, we can just mix this up together. Just to get the glue off the bowl there. Meantime, guys, I will be right back. Okay guys, so I'm back, and I got my clear washable glue of Elmer's, and I'm going to be pouring that in here into my bowl of water and glitter glue. Okay, we're going ahead and we're going to pour in our clear glue there. Get it all out on there. Don't know if you guys can see what's going on there with the clear glue and the glitter glue so far. Just gonna mix that in a little bit. That should be good. And now, guys, we are going to be taking our shaving cream. Adding that in there. And yes, guys, I am making fluffy slime. Only that this is a whole new kind of fluffy slime. It is not your average fluffy slime. So it takes a little longer to do. Makes weird noise. Comment down below what you guys think that sounded like. Okay, I think that's enough shaving cream we have in there. Now, you're basically going to use your same ingredients that you have, basically with the glue, the contact solution, and the shaving cream. In other words, the glue, the shaving cream, and the contact solution. Just going to add some contact solution in there. And then before we start mixing it, we're going to add in our color from nature, food colors. And I was thinking of doing a marble color. I don't know what these two are going to do with sunflower, right here, sunflower, and what berry's going to do. So we'll just have to wait and see. Okay, guys, so I'm going to add in the pink first. Looks like a purplish color. Look at that. That is so cool. So pretty, and it's so cool. You got pink and you got like a violet pinkish color going on. Smells good too. Definitely looks like berries. Now we're going to add sunflower in. That on there. Now you cannot eat this slime. This is not edible slime. So if you make this, moms and dads, be sure to not let your kids eat it because it's not made for kids to be going and eating. Now we're just going to stir it together. I like the color. It's like a orange, bright orange color with a little bit of pink in there. You can see in there that's starting to come together. Looks like I need to add a little bit more shaving cream. While I'm adding in the shaving cream, guys, I am going to choose some colors that I think will look pretty in here. Comment down below what colors you guys think. I'll be right back, guys. Okay, guys, I'm back. So the shaving cream that I had didn't really work, so I'm gonna use Gillette's Match 3 Complete Defense. So you can get this at Walmart or any place, really. And I will see you guys in my next part of the video. Okay, bye.